Hello all. So now we will be understanding how to fill up the form for UPSC online CSE. So we have to go for the URL upsconline.gov.in, whereby it is asking for your registration. So this page will open. Then you have to give your email ID or phone number. Then your OTP will be generated. Then according to the OTP, you will be having the CAPTCHA. Then you have to log in. Then this page will open, whereby it will be asking for your acceptance. Yes, I read the complete notification. Then we will go for personal information. In personal information, it will be asking for your name, etc. For example, candidate name is there according to 10th class certificate. Few women, after getting marriage, their name will change, and in Aadhaar card, the name will be different. So you don't worry. What is there in the 10th class is final and binding. If any problem come in the future also, there is no need to worry. Just you have to write one affidavit and you have to submit. Then you will be filling all the details. Then your marital status will be asked. Your place of birth will be asked. Your community certificate will be asked. For example, this example is of SC, scheduled caste. Only certificate we have to upload. That's it. No more information is required. Whereas if it is OBC, we have to fill up each and every point, like ITRs of 1, 2, 3 years, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2023, 2024. So 3 years ITRs we have to submit, and how much land we have, that we have to submit. There will be ceiling limit, whether the land which you have is under the ceiling limit or not. This OBC you have to submit. Whereas in EWS also a very big description will be there. OBC students and EWS students should be very, very careful while submitting their documents. Whereas SC, ST, general, only SC, ST certificate need to be submitted, that to recent certificate. The recent certificate can be somewhere around 2017 onwards, it can be called as recent certificate. But then the PW certificate, photo identity, then it will ask for address information. Then you have to write your address. Then it will ask for photo and sign. It should be above 20 KB and below 300 KB. The same will be with respect to the signature also. So in this way, photo need to be uploaded and your name should be here. Photograph date as well as your name should be there here, and the photo should be very recent. Photo and sign. Then your educational qualification should be there. 10th, intermediate and degree. If post graduation is there, that also will be there. For example, 10th year it is there, intermediate is there, and graduation is there. If you don't have post graduation, there is no requirement also. Minimum graduation should be there. Then we will go for documents upload. Matriculation certificate we have to upload here, and graduation certificate mark sheet we have to upload here. Photo ID proof like Aadhaar card we have to upload here. SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer certificate we have to upload here. In age relaxation, if you are an SC and you want age relaxation, for example, 32 is for general, 37 is for SC, ST, 35 is for OBC. So if you are OBC, you want to claim your age is 34, then you have to submit your same OBC certificate here. Then certificate in support of age relaxation. Then if you are from Northeast India, this certificate you have to submit. Then your parents information, address details you have to, general details of father information, general details of mother information. This is employment. If you are working somewhere else, then employment information should be there here. Then UPSC information, like have you been ever debarred? No. Pooja Karkare got debarred. So that, like that example, no. Have you ever appeared in any UPSC examination previously? No. Service post? No. Then achievements. See, very carefully we have to fill up this. Extracurricular activities, what are all the prizes you got, what are all the medals you got, what are all the awards you got. Very carefully you have to, we don't know whether they will give edit option or not, but you have to be very careful. While filling your prize medals, you have to be very careful. Then you have to your mother tongue language. In this way, achievements, prizes, medals. When you fill all this, your part 1 is completed. Then you will go for part 2. When you go for part 2, it will ask for mainly your OTR details, it will be asked. Then it will be asking with respect to examination details. All the examination details you have to submit, mainly with respect to age relaxation. Again, SC certificate it will be asking. Then Center for Civil Service Examination. The part 2 is for your center. Which center it is? So Hyderabad is center for mains, as well as which optional you are taking, and English is your language, Telugu or Kannada or Tamil is your language. In this way, you have to fill the form for your part 2. Then we will go for part 3. Part 3 is all about, if you open the part 3, it's all about medium for interview. Here only they are asking, English is a medium. Whether mother alive or deceased, no, then we have to go. This is the preferences with respect to your cadres. Which post you want, whether IAS. So this Indian Administrative Service first post, Foreign Service 5th, Police Service 2nd, and 3rd is somewhere around, yes, 3rd Third is our IRS, direct, customs and indirect taxes, GST. Then with respect to place of birth, very background of the socio-economic questionnaire, background, they want to know about your background, then all your employment status if you are having any, whether competitive exams you are written already, these all details will be there in your part 3. Civil service prelims examination, whether you attended earlier, not, which we will be giving actually after prelims, but now they are asking before prelims. Then your part 3 is been done. Part 4 is all about only fees. If you have any fees, exam center and payment gateway will be there for your part 4. In this way, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 will be there. OBC students, please, EWS students, these both categories should be very careful. If you have any doubts, please post in our comment box. Compulsory, I personally will answer your all doubts with respect to your application of UPSC. All the best. God bless you all. Jai Hind.